Hello little artists, welcome back to Fine Arts where we bring pictures to life with vibrant colors. Today we have something super exciting, a Paw Patrol Halloween special with a big pumpkin and our favorite pups dressed up for trick-or-treating. Let's begin with the giant pumpkin in the background. We are using a bright orange to make it glow like it's lit up for a Halloween night. Now let's add some spooky yellow to the pumpkin's face. It looks like it's smiling, doesn't it? Next is Rubble with his superhero glasses. Let's make his outfit orange and his helmet bright blue. He's ready to save the day. Now time to paint Skye. She's wearing a pink princess dress, so we will use lots of pink. And last, let's color Rocky. He's got a pumpkin head, so we will use green for the stem and yellow-orange for the rest. Doesn't he look festive? Now for Juma, the pirate pup. His outfit is dark red with a pirate head and eye patch. He's ready for an adventure on the high seas. Now let's color Chase. He's rocking his police costume with a mask. We will use blue for his uniform and brown for his fur. Doesn't he look brave or ready for Halloween fun? Finally, let's make the stars around the picture shimmer. We will color them golden yellow to add a magical touch. And there we have it, a powerful Paw Patrol Halloween masterpiece. Thank you for painting with me today, friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fine Arts for more colorful adventures. See you in the next video. Bye bye.